In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to budget your paycheck using Notion, an efficient and versatile tool that can help you organize your finances with ease. If you're new to Notion or looking to improve your budgeting process, this guide will take you through each step, ensuring you make the most of this powerful application. First, let's start by heading over to your connected workspace in Notion. If you're not familiar with Notion, it's a fantastic platform that combines elements of a wiki, database, and project management tool. It's perfect for personal finance management because it allows you to create custom templates that suit your needs. Next, you'll want to log into your account. This is pretty straightforward. Just click on the Login button. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up, which is also a quick process. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at Notion's home. Here, you can see all of your pages and workspaces, making it easy to keep everything organized in one place. Now, let's search for a paycheck tracker. Notion offers a wide variety of templates, so finding one specifically for tracking your paycheck will be incredibly helpful. Simply type Paycheck Tracker in the search bar. This template will allow you to list your income, planned savings, and expenses all in one spot. Upon finding and selecting a template that you like, you'll need to click on HUD. This action imports the template into your workspace, where it becomes a customizable page just for you. This is where the real power of Notion comes into play, as every template is fully adaptable to your specific financial situation. Once the template is added to your personal workspace, it's time to start editing. This step is all about personalization to fit your financial goals and lifestyle. You can modify categories to align with your own income sources and spending habits. For example, if you get paid weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, you can adjust the pay schedule in your tracker accordingly. Take the time to list all of your expenses to ensure you have a comprehensive view of where your money goes. Think basics like rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. But also remember personal spending, subscriptions, or emergencies. By customizing these categories, you'll get a clear picture of your financial health and can make informed decisions about allocating your funds. With all these adjustments made, you have a functional budgeting page tailored just for you. This structure will guide you to track your finances more effectively, setting you up for a successful budgeting journey. Remember, regularly updating your template with new income and expenses is key to maintaining financial control. That's it. Now you have a personalized paycheck budget tracker set up in Notion. I hope you find this guide helpful as you manage your finances more efficiently. Thank you for joining me, and happy budgeting!